Welcome to Internet Quality Academy. The channel is for the quality control engineer, site engineer, and the civil engineer who are working in the construction field. In this channel, we are dealing anything and everything about construction and the quality control. Today also, I'm going to discuss about a very important topic which is related to concretes. Today, I'm going to discuss about the admixture. What is admixture? What is the IS code for the admixture? What is the different types of admixture? And what is the function of admixture on the concrete? In this, will discuss each and everything in detail. So stay tuned until the end to get the full information about admixture and its function on the concrete. And if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notification. So without wasting the time, let's jump into the subject, admixture and its function on concrete. First, we need to know what is admixture or what is the definition of admixture. And when can I get that definition? We can get in clause 3.1 of IS 9103/1999. In this clause, in this IS code, it is defined as a material other than water, aggregates, and hydraulic cement, and additives like pozzolana or slag, and fiber reinforcement used as an ingredient. So it is not the main ingredient, but it is the ingredient used as a catalyst on the concrete or mortar and added to the batch immediately or before or during its mixing to modify one or more properties of concrete in the plastic or hardened state. So it is not the main ingredient. Other the main ingredient, whatever we are using in the cement without not affecting the proportion of the main ingredient, and it changes one or more properties of the concrete, either in the fresh concrete or in the hardened concrete, that is called the admixture. So it is the additive or it is the other foreign material other than the main ingredient, and it's changing the properties of the concrete without affecting the main ingredients proportion. So these are the first things, what is admixture. Now we want to know what is the IS code for admixture. That is IS 9103/199 and reaffirmed in 2018. So we need to follow this code whenever we are dealing with the admixture of the concrete. So next part is what is the different types of admixture we have, because we have not only one type of admixture, we have different types of admixture, and it is mentioned in the IS code. And which IS code? The same IS code in IS 9103/1991 in clause 3.1 to clause 3.7. It is mentioned what are the different types of admixture we have. In clause 3.2, it is mentioned accelerating admixture or accelerator. What is that? An admixture when added to the concrete, mortar or grout increase the rate of hydration of hydraulic cement, shorten the time of set, or increase the rate of hardening or strength development. So what is the accelerating? Because all we know, whenever we are adding water into the cement or in the mix, so the cement and water start reacting, and that we call is the rate of hydration or heat of hydration. But what is happening? It takes long time. But if we need early strength gain, so what we add the admixture, that is accelerator. So what it will accelerating? It is accelerating the heat of hydration process and eventually the early strength gain development because of this admixture. So this is accelerating admixture or accelerator used when we need the early strength gain or hardening or strength development is required. So next, in 3.3 clause, it is making retarding admixture or retarder. What is that? An admixture which delays the setting of cement paste and hence of mixtures such as mortar or concrete containing cement. So first, what is that? It is fastening, accelerating the process or heat of hydration. Now it is delaying the process. So whenever it is delaying the process, we need that time we are using the retarding admixture or the retarder. Then water reducing admixture or workability aid. Another thing is that an admixture which either increase workability of fresh mixed mortar or concrete without increasing water content or maintains workability without a reduced amount of water. Now, when we need the workability of concrete is high, but we cannot increase the water cement ratio. If we increase the water cement ratio, maybe we will not get that much of strength what is required. So we need workability, but at the same time we need the strength. What will happen that time, this water reducing admixture or workability aid admixture is very much useful, because it will not increase the water content, but it will maintain the workability with a reduced amount of water. So what is my criteria? That workability aid and the strength development without affecting the water cement ratio, that admixture will help us. So what is that admixture? That water reducing admixture or workability aid. Next is air entraining admixture. What is that? An admixture for concrete or mortar which causes air to be incorporated in the form of minute bubbles in the concrete or mortar during mixing, usually to increase workability and resistance to freezing and thawing and disrupting action to de-icing of salts. What is happen if the temperature lower down minus or 0 degrees? So what will happen? The freezing on the thawing cycle will happen of the water bubble inside the concrete, and when this water will make ice, the volume will increase, and when the volume will increase, the stress is developed inside the concrete, and concrete will break, and concrete the cracks will happen. So to arrest that one, we introduce the air entraining admixture. What will happen? It will arrest the freeze thaw resistance, and it will arrest the stress developed inside the concrete because of freezing and thawing cycle, and also de-icing of the salts. So this is very much essential when the temperature is, or the very cold weather, when the temperature is going below the freezing point. That area in concrete, we need to add the air entraining admixtures. Next is superplasticizing admixture. What is that? An admixture of a mortar or concrete which imparts very high workability or allows a large decrease in water content to avoid given workability. So it is superplasticizing. So it is decreasing the water content without affecting the workability and the strength when we need the high volume or the higher grade of concrete, but we don't want to increase the water cement ratio. If water cement ratio is increased, again the strength will be a problem. So that area, the superplasticizing admixture is very useful, and it is decrease the high amount of water content, but given the workability and the strength. So according to the requirement, we will choose the what type of admixture I need for my concrete or for my projects. Another thing is retarding superplasticizing admixture. So superplasticizing and as well as retarding. So superplasticizing admixture that imparts prolonged workability, retention, and retard setting. So first, that one, the superplasticizing, it is increasing the workability and the strain without affecting the water cement ratio and reducing the high amount of water. Now, this retarding admixture, what will happen? The superplasticizing retarding admixture, that is impart prolonged workability. The workability will be more, time will be more, and setting will be reduced. So that is the retarding super plasticizing admixture. So these are the six types of admixture is mentioned in the IS 9103, and according to the project requirement or according to the concrete requirement, one need to choose what type of admixture we need to take and what type of admixture we need to use in the concrete. So this, what have I covered? What is the admixture by definition, what code has to follow, and what is the different types of admixture. Now, what is the effect on admixture on concrete? What will happen when we add admixture into the concrete? Because we need to get our concrete in a proper strength, durability, workability, each and everything. So that is why we need to add the admixture on the concrete, but they have the different function on admixture on the concrete. What? First things is water reduction. Admixture known as water reducer or plasticizer decrease the water content or of the concrete mixture without affecting workability and allowing for higher strength and durability while reducing permeability. So water reducing also a property of the admixture, because whenever the higher grade, we need to increase the percentage of cement, and accordingly the water cement ratio increase. So the water also become high, but that if it's high, then we will not get that much of strength. So at that time, this water reduction is very much important. So that admixture is useful whenever we need the water water reduction in the concrete without affecting the strength. Then improve workability, as we already discussed. Then retardation, already discussed. Then acceleration, that is also discussed when the heat of hydration is accelerating. And then air entrainment, also discussed to arrest the freezing and thawing cycles, and also the icing of the dissolved. And durability improvement, it is very much important. The admixtures such as corrosion inhibitors, shrinkage reducers, and permeability reducing agents enhance the durability of concrete by mitigating corrosion of reinforcement, minimizing cracking, and improving resistance to chemical attack and water penetration. So what is durability? Durability is nothing but how the concrete will withstand with the adverse environmental condition. Whenever very high severe wind and high amount of chloride or sulfate is there in the environment, how it will react, so that the durability. If you want to know about everything in durability, I have made a detailed video. You will check, or in the description box is there. You will get full information about the durability. Then also temperature control and spatial application. So what is the spatial application of the admixture? The admixture can also be used for specialized applications such as self-consolidating concrete or lightweight concrete, high-performance concrete, and pervious concrete, offering tailored solution to meet specific project requirements. So self-compacting or self-consolidating lightweight concrete and high-performance concrete, it is also a huge impact of admixture on the concrete, and without the admixture we cannot produce such type of concrete. So admixture has a huge impact on the concrete, and after inventing of the admixture, our concrete industry has grown, and we can get whatever the concrete we want without affecting the water cement ratio, without affecting the strength, without affecting the workability, permeability, and everything. So these are the things, or in just in details about the admixture. It is a basic one because the admixture is a huge course and we cannot cover in one video, but this is the basic things that every civil engineer should know, that what is a admixture, what are the different types of admixture, and how to select the different types of admixture, and what is the effect on admixture on the concrete, so that they can produce the great concrete one or that project. And also another things we need to know, then how to select the right kind of admixture. Here you can see that in this IS 9103, here it is in terminology we have discussed what type of admixture is there, and here is a physical requirement of admixture. So accelerating, retarding, water reducing, air entering, super plasticizing is. So check this table 1A and table 1B of IS 9103, and in the next or another video I will discuss each and everything about this parameter, because if I have to discuss about this parameter, this will be a longer video. But in the next video or any other video, I will discuss every parameter. But now, if whenever we are selecting any admixture, please check table 1A and table 1B. That is the requirement as per the IS 9103. So these are the all for today, and I hope you enjoy. And if you find this useful, and if you find it useful, kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, so that whenever I upload a new video, you will get immediate notifications. And I'm waiting for your valuable comments, so that from your comment everybody will be benefited. And if you want to know anything more about construction and quality control, please let me know. I will come with more content like this. Thank you once again for watching me.